The Poo Files.
Poo Files open.
Poo Facts.
Art. They say it imitates life. That includes pooing, apparently. A Belgian artist called Wim Delvoye created a poo machine as an art installation. And it's toured all over the world. The poo machine mimics the human digestive system. Food goes in and actual poo comes out. Art? Or just a load of...
Fart facts.
HAFE, an acronym that stands for High Altitude Flatus Expulsion. That's high altitude farting to you and me. HAFE was coined as a term by researchers who found out that mountain climbers fart much more at higher altitudes. You'd want to be careful of that during avalanche season. Oh, look out! Some people find it almost impossible to pee in front of others. But is it true that shy bladder syndrome is a recognised medical condition? Place your bets!
Historical nuggets.
In the olden days, traditional Māori communities kept human waste separate from living and eating areas. In hilltop Pa, latrines called pai were built on the side of the hill well away from other buildings. Pai were tapu, to stop human waste being used in Matuku.
Spooky.
Is it true that shy bladder syndrome is a recognised medical condition? False. It's actually a social anxiety disorder. It's called paruresis and it is extremely common. In fact, it's the second most common fear after the fear of public speaking. Righto, you had your fun.
Poo Files closed.